In this video tutorial, I will show you how to make money from various freelance jobs and job appearances from Kwork. So without further ado, give this video a like and let's get started straight away. Okay guys, let's get to the basics real quick. In case you've never heard of this website, it's actually quite simple. Kwork is a freelance marketplace similar to FIVERR or UPWORK that on the one hand offers buyers the opportunity to hire freelancers to work on projects for them for a fee, and on the other hand offers freelancers a unique opportunity to sell their services to clients from all over the world and from all sorts of niches and sub-niches, including logo and website designs, IT writing and translation, SEO optimization, digital marketing, audio and video editing, business and lifestyle, and other professional categories. So guys, when it comes to making money with Kwork, there are basically two different options: or hire a freelancer to take on tasks and collaborate with you on the projects, such as voiceovers if you need someone to record voiceovers for your videos, translator if you need someone to do, for example, sales taxes or marketing campaigns translated into another language, or web developers who create websites for you, for example, an online shop for your online business. That would be option number one. And option number two,
options? Oh, really?
Would mean that you don't invest any budget in outsourcing and hiring freelancers, but instead offer your freelance services here in the Kwork market in the niche or work category that you like or feel comfortable in. We're going to talk about how to create really compelling sales pitches in a moment. Actually, it's not rocket science. Let's take a closer look at your earning potential as a freelancer here on this platform, because I suspect you are not watching this tutorial to become a freelancer for entertainment, but really to make money from the services you provide. And according to their homepage, the gigs called Kworks are bought by the market every 60 seconds, which seems like a pretty impressive statistic. The average salary for freelancers working on their market is $520 per month, which is neither great nor bad. I'd say it's actually decent, but I'm glad that they make realistic claims and don't lure in potential newbies by claiming that their membership averages 4 or 5 figures per month. Well, there are definitely freelancers out there making that kind of money, but to get results like this, you need to put a lot of effort into your freelance career. You produce quality work and work full-time, and also know how to market your services properly and effectively to stay ahead of the competition, but we'll talk about that in a moment. Ultimately though, this is just an average rating that mostly depends on your marketing talent, skills and abilities. How much you make on platforms like this or even FIVERR or UPWORK, suppose you want to start with something simple such as translations. I mean, if you are fluent in at least 2 different languages such as English and Italian, Arabic or French or Hindi and Spanish, why not use your language skills to your freelance advantage by selling your translation services here at Kwork? Or let's say you're good at proofreading and editing text and documents, translating or transcription. Proofreading, voiceover and data entry jobs generally fall under the so-called low volume freelance occupations because they really require minimum skill and work experience. And as you can see, people charge pretty low prices for a job completed around $10 and sometimes $20, depending on the type and complexity of the job in question. In addition, customers have the freedom to order individual packages and the number of words to be translated, for example 4,000 words for $20 or text of 6,000 words, slang for $30, and that's it guys. I think Kwork is, in my opinion at least, a pretty promising alternative to FIVERR or UPWORK, especially for those of you who are struggling to find clients on crowded platforms like FIVERR and UPWORK, right? I mean, look at it, you can find over 50,000 IT services and gigs on FIVERR marketplace under the search topic translation. 50,000 compared to what? Even 2,500 translations or gigs in Kwork. That's over 20 times less competition. And guys, don't take this lightly. The same applies to other professional groups such as proofreaders. 25,000 services run on FIVERR. 2,000 proofreading and editing services are sold through Kwork. If you compare the other job categories here to their counterparts at FIVERR and UPWORK, I'm pretty sure you'll see a similar pattern. So the math here is pretty simple. You can expect to have far fewer problems ranking high on pages 1, 2 and 3 here at Kwork, unlike other more well-known freelance marketplaces, which can help you gain more exposure and attention from potential clients. Another aspect that should not be neglected is the quality of presentation and promotion of one's skills and services on the market. They offer this free beginner freelance get started course here at Kwork that will teach you pretty much everything you need to know to start your own indie game and make it really professional. You can can read each chapter at any time, and if you want to summarize the aspects that are most important to you, however, the most basic key factors are captivating thumbnails and titles. Just look at the thumbnail of this example gig here. 2 flags, 1 American and 1 German as speech bubbles. A t-shirt with 1 inscription translated from English into German in colored letters, and that's all it takes. Add up to 6 keywords, and for this reason, thumbnails should not be filled with too much text. And describe the gig below briefly, informatively and persuasively, without excessive text. Some people write entire essays in their job descriptions, which only puts off potential clients because people are usually lazy and don't feel like reading long texts. Therefore, try to summarize the most important cornerstones of your achievements in as few words as possible, and that's all. And another very important aspect is the reviews and ratings that you get from clients and customers. Your ratings represent reputation in the Kwork community. Not only does positive reviews improve your reputation, but it's an open secret that gigs that have already numerous 4 or 5-star reviews from happy customers are more likely to rank higher in the market for a given search term or keyword. This makes sense as freelance platforms are keen to showcase and promote freelance services and gigs that are already proven to deliver quality work. How can I get more positive feedback, I hear you asking? Well guys, this is not hard, but the only thing you have to do to get more positive reviews and ratings is to provide decent quality to your customers. Nobody can do it for you, so don't make the mistake of buying fake customer reviews and ratings, because you can be sure that they'll find out it's not difficult to distinguish a fake from a genuine customer review. The only thing you can achieve is to permanently close your account. If you do try to cheat the system here, so don't do it and don't even think about it. So folks, you can dig a little deeper here and check out some of our Kwork lessons and activities to develop your freelance and gig marketing skills if you want. However, no matter how promising a new freelance platform is on the market, it is never a good idea to go all in on one card, because the truth of the freelance industry is that no matter how well you market your skills, that your work will be successful and outperformed by the competition. In order to not make you too dependent on 1 or 2 of these independent platforms, I would like to offer you a list of alternatives. For example, quite an innovative marketplace for freelancers that allows buyers to pay hired freelancers not only in local currencies like US dollar, but also in various cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum or Litecoin. There's peoplepro.com, in my opinion a rather underrated freelance platform that honestly offers the same quality of service as FIVERR or UPWORK. One of the legacy online platforms specializing in providing outsourced services for data entry and tagging tasks such as video and image innovations, audio transcriptions or applications and website testing. And finally, Sprout Gigs. This is a marketplace that allows freelancers to charge even less than $5 per gig, which is the minimum amount you can charge on FIVERR. So guys, remember that as a freelancer, you have the freedom to diversify your skills and services and sell them on as many platforms as possible at the same time. Therefore, to get the most out of your potential, I would say that you should offer your freelance services on as many websites as possible. And so that's it for today. If you did enjoy this tutorial, please click the like button and I'll see you next time.